crafty people, it's a great day because it is a Gina K day. I have here some of the products from the April 2026 release, including the new card kit called Sweet Celebrations. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and let's get into it. I did divide up my order into two so that I could get both of the incentives this month. Once you reach $75 in product, you get a little pop-up on your screen that says that you can choose one of the incentives. And so if you do want more than one, you do have to place two orders. So the incentives this month are called Holding You Close. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous floral. And then the second one is really fun, and this one is called Spring Doodles. Both of these do have coordinating die sets, but you do need to add those to your cart separately, and there's a charge for that. But this one cuts out the florals and the 3 sentiments. So we have Sending Love, I'm Always Here For You, Thinking of You, and Holding You Close in My Heart. These would be great to do inking techniques. Those florals are so pretty. And this one is so fun, big and bold, very whimsical, and we have Friend and Hello, and the die set does cut out all of the things in there. I do have a few of the products. There is a whole mess of other items from the other designers. You can check it out at Gina K, scrapbook.com, A Cherry on Top, Simon Says Stamp. The only thing that is not available at those places is the card kits. But next month, when the new kit is released, all of the individual pieces from the old kit are available. So in that case, all of the ones from last month are now available, which is awesome. Alright, we have some new Poly-glaze. This is called Birthday Sprinkles, and this goes with the card kit. And then we have a set called Peaceful Petals, and this is actually from a class that Gina did, and now she's releasing all of the pieces for that. So we have the stamp set, a lot of really good like sympathy kind of things. With sympathy, so sorry for your loss, may your loved one rest in peace, and may their memory be a blessing. That's so sweet. Thinking of you, you are not alone, and wishing you comfort and peace. So, and then this gorgeous floral, kind of a really cool like triangle looking background for that. Then with this we have a stencil set to color in these florals, which is always awesome. Makes it so easy. This also does have a coordinating Poly-glaze. So you get the sentiments and the florals. So you can use the stenciling and the dies on this Poly-glaze. So if you've never used Poly-glaze before, this is a foiling product. So what you would need to do is use deco foil. Actually, I think I have some on my desk. Like this, or any of the Gina K fancy foils, and you would use a laminator, a Mink, Gina's fuse machine, and you'd run it through, and then after that you can color it, cut it out, whatever you need to do. And I will link I have a video on how to use the Poly-glaze foiling sheets, so if you need more help on that. And then we have the die set, and it cuts out all of the images and the sentiments, so that is awesome. This is a great little collection, and all the pieces go together and make it so easy. Alright, let's check out this kit. Let me grab all the pieces out. So this one is called Sweet Celebrations, and these are all the things that come with it. So you get Sweet Celebration dies, Picture Perfect stamps, Picture Perfect dies, Picture Perfect frames, Birthday Sprinkles stamps, Birthday Sprinkles dies. Your free gift is a fancy Dogwood 3D embossing folder with layering, stencils, and dies. So you get tons of stuff in this kit this month. As of filming this, it is still available, but Gina's kits go very quickly, so if it's something that you might like, you might want to go grab that. Let me just organize these a little bit. Alright, so our first one is called Birthday Sprinkles, and you've got these kind of like celebratory kind of fireworks, fun things, lots of squigglies, dots, stars, confetti, and we have a happy birthday and it's your birthday. I love the font on these with the kind of elongated, but this matches perfectly with this, with the Poly-glaze. So you can foil these sentiments and then cut them out with the coordinating die. So this cuts out the two sentiments in there. So that matches. And then we have the picture perfect greetings, and this kind of all goes together with the perfect picture frames. So these are fun picture sentiments. So it's like, hope your birthday is picture perfect. Oh snap, I missed your birthday. And that would be perfect with the like the Polaroid one. Have a snappy birthday, say cheese, happy birthday to you, you've captured my heart. May your may your days be filled with many golden hours and you make me smile. So the die set cuts out all of the sentiments. And then the cool thing about this picture perfect frames is that you can stamp right on the borders here. And then you have these two little dies that are like tape, or like washi tape. You know how like in an old album you would put the tape on the corners to hold that down. So this one you have the two frames. This one's a big one, like a Polaroid, and then this one you just have the square frame, and it does cut out the inside and outside. So that is really fun. You can do a lot of cool things, and you can, I've seen a lot online of using these items inside of these frames to kind of give it a really cool birthday card kind of thing, like with the cake pops and the cupcakes and all that stuff. So here's our Sweet Celebrations die, and this is everything you can need to, you know, build cakes, build lollipops or cake pops, cupcakes, lots of good stuff. And you can make, you know, here's leaves and berries and all that, a bow, you have a stick for the pops, lots of cool things. These are the different layers of the frosting and the cakes and the liners. And then this part is the top of the cake, and then you can make different layers. So that's really cool. And here is the what these dies look like. So I really like this cool swirly one. And so if you use it with this circle one and do different colors, that would make a really cool lollipop. We got some detail for the frosting and that cute little bow. So a lot of good things. Some candles, and you have different layered pieces to the candles, so you can make a double layer on that. That is cool. And then this embossing folder, absolutely gorgeous, and it comes with two dies. So you get the smaller one here and then the bigger one here. So pretty. And then it comes with the stencil set to color this in. And this is, let me see, this feels like a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5. So I don't know if you can see that there is an etched line. So it helps you line it right up on the right spot when you're doing the different layers. And so you have like foliage, detail, and then the rest are petals, and then the flower centers. Okay, so there is all of this stuff that goes with the kit. And we have the 2 incentives, and then the Peaceful Petals kit that was from a class that Gina had taught. So here is what I have for the April 2026 release. Again, there is a million bajillion other things that are available. And I will put the links for everything that I showed today in the description box over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And if you have enjoyed this walkthrough and would like to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. And coming up next, I have my Gina K Designs unboxing video playlist, as well as a card making playlist, so if you want any card inspiration. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.